What's up, everybody? Anthony Omani here. Today we're breaking down how to build a balanced, fully developed chest. I'm going to explain why a lot of people struggle to grow their chest, the morphological characteristics that influence development, the 4 major obstacles you need to overcome, and specific strategies like unilateral training, pre-exhaustion, and post-exhaustion work. Let's get into it. First, let's talk morphology. This simply means your body's structural characteristics, your bone length, muscle insertion points, rib cage shape, shoulder mechanics, and limb proportions. These factors heavily influence chest development. 1. Clavicle length. Longer clavicles generally give a wider chest and better upper chest leverage. Shorter clavicles mean you may struggle with upper chest thickness. 2. Rib cage shape. A fuller, barrel-shaped rib cage naturally makes the chest look bigger, while a flat rib cage requires more emphasis on angles and volume. 3. Shoulder dominance. If your anterior delts overpower your pecs, they steal tension from the chest, pressing movements. 4. Arm length. Longer arms increase the range of motion and mechanical disadvantage, making pressing movements harder and reducing chest tension. Your morphology doesn't limit you. It just tells us the strategy we need to use. The 4 obstacles to chest development. Most people fail to build their chest for 4 main reasons. Obstacle number 1, poor mind-muscle connection. If you bench and only feel your shoulders or triceps, you're missing chest activation. Your pecs never get the stimulus they need. Obstacle number 2, dominant frontal delts. For many people, the front delts take over every pressing movement. You press with your shoulders instead of squeezing with your chest. Obstacle number 3, limited range of motion. A shortened range, like stopping too high or bouncing the weight, reduces mechanical tension on the chest. Obstacle number 4, imbalanced loading. With both arms together, your stronger side takes over. Most people have a dominant pec, which creates asymmetry and reduces overall recruitment. Unilateral training for upper chest isolation. One of the most effective ways to create a balanced chest is unilateral training, working on one side at a time. Why unilateral training works? It forces equal activation on both sides, helps isolate the upper chest fibers, improves control and recruitment, lets you adjust angles specific to your morphology. Here are some examples. Single arm incline dumbbell presses, single arm high to low cable press, single arm low to high cable flies, single arm machine press to reduce shoulder dominance. Think, lead with the pec, drive the elbows in and up, finish with a squeeze, not a push. Pre-exhaustion work. Pre-exhaustion means you fatigue the pec first before pressing movements. This prevents the shoulders and triceps from taking over. Best pre-exhaustion chest movements. Cable flies. Pec deck, machine chest fly, high cable flies. How it works. You isolate the chest first, then when you move into your presses, like incline dumbbell or barbell pressing, the pecs are already turned on and dominate the movement. Post-exhaustion work. Post-exhaustion is the opposite. You press first while fresh, then finish with isolation to fully burn out the chest. Best post-exhaustion moves. Mechanical chest press, cable fly burnout sets, push-ups to failure, drop set pec deck. Why it works? You maximize strength output first, then take the chest to complete failure with a safer isolation movement. Putting it all together. Here's how you combine everything into a balanced chest. First, pre-exhaustion. Low to high cable flies, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Upper chest activation. Then we move into our compound movements. Compound press. Incline dumbbell press, 4 sets, 6 to 10 reps. Machine chest presses, 3 sets, 8 reps each side. Now our post-exhaustion. Pec deck, 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Incline push-ups or cable burnouts, 2 sets till fatigue. Control the negative, squeeze at the top, and match the tension on both sides. And that's how you build a balanced, symmetrical chest, by understanding the morphology, overcoming the 4 obstacles, using unilateral work to isolate weak angles like the upper chest, and applying pre-exhaustion and post-exhaustion techniques to maximize tension. Train smart, not just hard.